Volnay van de Hoef. Bred from full sister to 1.40 m level stallion Ludovicus. The up-and-coming sire Aganix du Seigneur passes on abundant jumping qualities to his offspring. He makes his mark in breeding with top-level offspring like Agana van het Gerendal Z, Atusha and Oakgroves Americana. In the pedigree of Volnay van de Hoef, we find Aganix du Seigneur paired with a full sister of the 140 level KWPN approved stallion Ludovicus. This direct dam line has also produced Lauren Crooks Brennan's World Cup competing horse Dancer. Dam sire Edinburgh competed at international 1.55 m level with Michael van der Vleuten and represents a successful dam line himself.